Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here at Metal and Modular in Flore Northamptonshire. And the last time I saw the NAV 4.5 was on the Innovation Trail at the Executive Hire Show. And the team said, Peter, if you want to reach new heights with your content, come and see us here where we make it at the factory. I've been to see some of the factory operatives that are doing all the welding, that are actually doing the engineering, but also actually they're in the paint shop, which they've got here on site. This is a UK-made product, lots of innovations. The first one is no battery, no diesel. This is hand propelled. And all I also need is something I was born with, a foot as well, to actually get this started. So without further ado, folks, let's do it. First of all, safety first. I've opened the latch to the gate. I'm now going to 3 points of contact. In we go to here, the NAV 4.5. Back with the gate, flop that down. Simple process this. Put your foot on the brake, then you literally pull the handle and off you go. And if you'd see, folks, I am literally reaching new heights with my content right now, and I can go up to 4.5 meters like this, just using one hand, as you see. So now I've reached my working height for this particular job. The tools can go in the tray here, can get the power tools in there as well, can even sort of latch them on safely. But when I want to come down, I simply just, again, pull this and go the other way around. But, folks, what happens if I become incapacitated? That is an issue which I would be quite concerned about. However, there's no problem with that because my colleague Lee is just going to come in and help me now because there's an emergency lowering system that's designed into this project. Come on, Lee, help me out. I need to get down.
So I'm going to simply remove the handle, like so. I take the handle, pull it open. I take hold of the emergency pull down. I pull. As you can see, that's now disengaged. You'll see a plate on the back that's retracted.
Oh, right,
now what I do is take the handle again, take on the shaft, and then just simply wind it all the way down.
So, over to me, folks. Here we have it. There is the system which allows me to go up, to come down with my own hand, but also if I need Lee in an emergency, we've seen him in action there. Lee, great to see. The NAV 4.5 is the latest product from Metal and Modular. There are some other features I want to talk to you about with this as I get off safely again, folks, with my 3 points of contact. Not forgetting popping the gate back down again. So, Lee, we've redesigned some of those features from the NAV 6.0 that I saw there. Simplified quite a lot of the different things, and that quick release there is all there ready to help people get down if there is that tiny incident that I might have passed out or whatever up there. And of course, there's another safety feature which I think is really important for me. This is it here, folks. What happens if I am leaning against there and we can't get me out? This happens, Lee. We take this out here, and you can get me out on this side, and there's the same one on the other. This is really important, but why are these bars this way round? You'd normally think they'd be crossed like that.
Yeah, no, over years there's been an industry issue that the mid-guard rail allows the operative to climb to gain extra height. Obviously let me just show you there, Peter. Just by removing that and have vertical guardrails like a stair banister, no one could climb.
That's a great idea.
Most definitely, most definitely. For us at Metal and Modular, safety is not a cost.
Yeah.
It's standardised, and this machine can be used for indoors, but we do have an accessory which allows it again to be used outdoors, like the Navigator 6. But this is a standard machine. It's indoor rated, as you can see.
Yep.
But an easier accessory will allow it to be wind rated.
How heavy is this? Is it because it can be transported by a forklift truck as well? It's a really compact package, this, but how heavy is it?
300 kilograms.
Right, so that's quite light for a machine like this.
Yeah. So for a standardised PAV that's on the market already, you're probably looking around 320, 350. But this particular model is 300 kilograms.
And It's battery powered. No, it isn't, folks. It's diesel powered. No, it isn't, folks. It's hand powered. That means we can use it anywhere, and actually we don't need to recharge a battery or fill a diesel engine up there to actually utilise this, can we?
Yeah, you're correct, but you're also, not emitting any emissions.
Correct.
That's really
at any point.
At any point.
Yeah.
This product is carbon zero. You're no charging, no sulfating or anything, so there's no carbon emissions.
And of course, folks, the most important thing with the NAV 4.5 is it's quite nimble, and we can position it in lots of different places. In order to do that, I've got to do one thing. That is release the brake here underneath with my foot. And then, folks, the team here let me borrow it because they said, Peter, the one thing you need to do is make sure your content reaches new heights. I'm going to do exactly that.